How to delete your stories on Snapchat. In this video, I will show you how to delete your stories on Snapchat. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, so let's jump straight into it. First, open Snapchat and tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Once you're on your profile, find the My Stories section. Tap the story you want to remove to open it. Now, while viewing the story, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Snapchat will ask you to confirm that you want to delete it. Tap Delete again, and that snap will be removed from your story. If your story contains multiple snaps, you'll need to repeat these steps for each snap you want to remove. So that is how to delete your stories on Snapchat. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.